Many of us fall into the trap of passive learning. We read books, watch tutorials, and attend lectures, hoping to absorb information like sponges. But passive learning is deceptive. It creates the illusion of progress without true understanding or skill development. Think about it. Have you ever read a book and immediately forgotten most of what you read? Or watched a cooking show and felt clueless in the kitchen? That's passive learning at work. It's time to ditch this ineffective approach and embrace active learning strategies. The key takeaway here is simple. Stop being a passive observer. Become an active participant in your learning journey. Engage with the material, test yourself, and seek out challenges. Two potent techniques form the bedrock of active learning: active recall and desirable difficulty. Active recall involves retrieving information from your memory without referring to your notes or textbooks. This process of active retrieval strengthens neural connections and makes the information stick. Desirable difficulty, on the other hand, suggests that we learn better when the learning process is slightly challenging. Think of it like weightlifting for your brain. When you lift heavier weights with proper form, your muscles grow stronger. Similarly, when you grapple with challenging concepts, your understanding deepens. Examples of active recall include flashcards, summarizing information from memory, and teaching what you've learned to someone else. Desirable difficulty can be achieved by spacing out your study sessions, varying your learning methods, and tackling problems just beyond your current capability. Imagine driving a car without a steering wheel. You'd have no way to correct your course and would likely end up far from your destination. Feedback loops are the steering wheel of learning. They provide the crucial information you need to adjust your approach and improve rapidly. Feedback comes in two flavors, positive and negative. Don't shy away from either. Positive feedback reinforces what you're doing well. Negative feedback, while sometimes uncomfortable, highlights areas for improvement. Embrace both types. Seek feedback from various sources, mentors, peers, coaches, or even recordings of your performance. Analyze the feedback objectively and use it to refine your approach. Remember, feedback is not a judgment of your worth, it's a valuable tool for growth. The Pareto Principle, also known as the 80-20th rule, states that roughly 80% of the results come from 20% of the efforts. This principle, when applied to learning, can dramatically accelerate your progress. Instead of trying to learn everything, identify the 20% of concepts or techniques that will yield the most significant results. These high-impact actions vary depending on the skill you're learning. Research, consult with experts, and experiment to uncover what they are. For example, when learning a language, focusing on the most frequently used words and grammar rules will allow you to communicate effectively faster than trying to memorize an entire dictionary. Prioritize your learning based on this principle and watch your efficiency soar. One of the most effective ways to accelerate your learning is to surround yourself with experts. Think of it like apprenticeship for the modern age. By observing, interacting with, and learning from those who have already mastered the skill you seek, you gain access to a treasure trove of knowledge and experience. Experts can provide valuable insights, shortcuts, and techniques that you wouldn't discover on your own. Pay attention to their processes, their language, and their problem-solving approaches. Ask questions, seek clarification, and absorb their wisdom. Remember, learning from experts doesn't require formal mentorship. Attend workshops, observe masterclasses, analyze interviews, and immerse yourself in their work. The key is to expose yourself to their expertise and actively learn from their experience. In today's digital age, countless resources can supplement your learning journey. One platform that aligns perfectly with the principles we've discussed is Brilliant.org. Brilliant offers interactive courses in mathematics, programming, and data science, designed to engage you actively and promote deep understanding. With a focus on problem-solving, visual explanations, and real-world applications, Brilliant makes learning both challenging and rewarding. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to deepen your existing knowledge, Brilliant provides a structured and engaging way to learn at your own pace. They even offer a free trial so you can experience the platform firsthand. Mastering any skill quickly requires a multifaceted approach. It's about combining the power of active recall, embracing desirable difficulty, utilizing feedback loops, focusing on high-impact actions, and learning from those who have already walked the path. Remember that learning is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges, setbacks, and plateaus. Embrace these as opportunities for growth and refinement. The most important factor is consistency. Dedicate time each day, even if it's just a few minutes, to active learning and skill development. Small, consistent efforts compounded over time yield extraordinary results. In a world that's changing at an unprecedented pace, the ability to learn new skills quickly is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. By adopting the principles outlined in this essay, you can unlock your learning potential and thrive in this dynamic environment. Remember to be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring new horizons. The journey of lifelong learning is filled with wonder, discovery, and endless possibilities. Embrace it.